Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Red Roof Inn Cleveland, Medina. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. This Medina, Ohio motel is minutes from Interstate 71 and within driving distance of downtown Cleveland. The motel offers guest rooms with free Wi-Fi. Red Roof Inn-Medina features a 24-hour front desk and laundry facilities. Medina General Hospital and Medina Antique Mall are within a short drive of the Medina Red Roof Inn. Akron University and the southern shore of Lake Erie are also nearby. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.